welcome back. This is the Gadget Show, and now it's time for a bout of unboxing. And Miss Georgie Barrett, what is this box I see before me?
Well, Mr. Craig Charles, this is the Osmo Pocket by DJI, the world's smallest handheld 3-axis stabilised camera, or gimbal, as it's known.
Nice word, gimbal.
It is, isn't it? It refers to the mechanical process of compensating any movement on the camera head.
Gimbal. Gimbal.
OK, it costs £329.
Gimbal.
You are sounding weird now. Stop that. So
How much did you say? 329?
Yeah, 329. And it is tiny. It is 12 centimetres long, look.
Oh, that is small,
It comes with this nice little case that it just sort of slides into. And there it is. It's got a touch screen on the back there, 2-hour battery life. Let's turn the thing on and we can see it come to life. Look at it go.
Wow.
And you can take still photos, video, shoots in 4K, slow-mo, time-lapse. But what I really want to show you today is the active track. So if I double-click your face...
Will that follow me, will it?
Yep. So I press record. Go on. Give it a
Go.
look. There we go.
Hey. Look at that. That's groovy, but
Quite
I'm
useful
guessing...
in selfie mode as well, if you're recording yourself.
OK. I'm guessing the video stabilisation is the real party trick, though, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. And I thought to test it, we can put it up against the iPhone. Okay. So this does have some optical stabilisation in here already. So if I record you, and get it up on the screen, John, you can have a little look at this. We can do a quick tour of the studio. Yeah.
Here's John, our senior cameraman. He can't afford a proper pair of jeans, that fella there. This way, Michael the cameraman there. Here we go, follow me, Georgie B.
Da-da.
How was that, John?
That was a bit rough, actually, to be honest, on the phone, I thought.
Yeah,
Okay.
a little bit shaky.
Let's contrast and compare.
Yes, indeed. So, let's go.
We've got to do this again.
Do it again, go on.
We don't talk about him. That's Dave, our studio manager. No one talks about him. Oh, come on, Georgie, keep up.
I don't know. I've got heels on. I'm trying to film. Right, there we go. Done. That was a lot better. What do you think, John?
OK, what's the verdict, John?
Yeah, right, definitely far, far smoother on the Osmo, and in such an impressively small package.
I know.
A very desirable gadget, I think.